Hello friends, myself Saksham Vajpayee and in this video I will be covering most important one marker question of history class 10. The name of the chapter is The Making of Global World, and yeah, this is a part of series named as Shubhara, which I have started for class 10 student for social sciences one marker question. So yeah, first of all, do like the session and do share it among your friends. Do sorry, do like the session and do share it among your friends. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, then do subscribe to the channel so that you will get notification every time when I will post any video related to 9th and 10th content. So yeah, but before that, this session is going to be very much helpful for you, so please do like this session. So as you all know, my name is Saksham Vajpayee. And you are watching Homework. So the first question is, who worked in American plantation during the 18th century? So option number 1 for A is immigrants from Europe. Option number B, slaves captured from Africa, and option number C is unemployed population of America. So the correct answer to this question is slaves captured from America. Question number 2. Reasons for decline of cotton textile export from India to Britain in the early 19th century. क्यों हुआ था एक बहुत ही बड़ा डिक्लाइन एक्सपोर्ट को लेकर इंडिया से ब्रिटेन के लिए? सो द ऑप्शन नंबर 1 इज imposition of tariff on cotton import to Britain. Quality of cotton textile was poor. Shortage of raw cotton in India. Yeah, cotton producers has found other buyers. So the correct answer to this question is option number A, imposition of tariff barriers to cotton import into Britain. Question number 3. Question number 3. When the export of, let's see, when the export of cotton textile Britain declined, India did not lose much. Why? अब यहाँ बताना है, हमने इस क्वेश्चन में बात की कि देयर वाज अ डिक्लाइन ऑफ एक्सपोर्ट ऑफ कॉटन फ्रॉम इंडिया टू ब्रिटेन. But the next question says why there was not that much of loss. Option number A, demand of Indian cotton textile in America. Southeast Asian countries welcomed India textile. Not looking so much great because India's home market had adequate number of buyers. No, China opened the market of Indian textile. Damn wrong. So what is correct here? So the answer option number A is correct because demand of Indian cotton textile in America was increased. Question number 4. Give the correct reason. Wait, I will change the pen. Give the correct reason for the decline of household income in Europe after the First World War. So the option number 1 is people stop going to work as they're scared of work situation. थोड़ा सा रॉन्ग लग रहा है ये तो, चलो हम इसको कट कर देते हैं. एलिमिनेशन मेथड यूज करते हैं, इसको हमने कट कर दिया. Then death and injury had reduced the number of able of bodies and works. ये थोड़ा ठीक लग रहा है, अब हम इसको रखते हैं. होम गवर्नमेंट हैड इम्पोज्ड हैवी टैक्सेस. नो, इसको भी काटते हैं. पीपल कुड नॉट गो वर्क बिकॉज दे गॉट busy and recognition of their households. No, this is also wrong. So the correct answer to this question is option number B. Option number B is the correct answer. That deaths वाला point बिल्कुल ही relevant होगा. Next point. Next question. This is not a one marker. This is not a MCQ. This is a one word question or a full sentence question. So during the first, क्योंकि आपके पेपर में MCQ नहीं 1 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है, आपके पेपर में MCQ भी हैं, बट वो MCQ में आपके 1 मार्क्स भी इंक्लूड कर सकता है, वो 1 वर्ड भी इंक्लूड कर सकता है, और assertion रीजनिंग कर सकता है, पिक्चर बेस्ड कर सकता है. So yeah, question number 5th. During the First World War, women in Europe stepped into jobs in which into jobs which early men expected to do. What was the reason? Because men went to battle. Question number 6. Which of the following did not part in the First World War? तो कौन part नहीं लिया था? Portugal is the correct answer. Question number 7. In which country the Great Depression start? In which country the Great Economic Depression? यहाँ पे आपको इकोनॉमिक भी लिखना है. Sorry for that. Great Economic Depression start. So 1929 से शुरू हुआ था, start हुआ था US से. Question number 8. Identify one aim of post-war international system. Post-war international system का क्या aim था? Answer number D. मैं इस पर थोड़ी देर बाद आऊँगा, मुझे थोड़ा गलत लग रहा है. Yeah, question number 10. Name the place where the year of National Monetary and Financial Conference. The correct answer is Bretton Woods in New Hampshire, USA, 1944. So yeah, this is all for today, and we will be meeting you in the next lecture. But thank you for watching this video. If you found this video a little bit helpful, then do like the session and do share it among your friends. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, then do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt, then do let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, this is all for today. Thank you so much. Thank you.